Okay, so how I came up with this is I just took this bar here and I just made up all the things that were like same for it, which would be like this, right? Oh, let's keep those there. Like that, and you know, I did some of these, right? And so on. And so this is the same as that, right? But also if I just take that out, then I can see that this is the same as that. And then I can also see if I put these in there that those plus that is the same as those. But then also these two here are the same as this. Or sorry, these four here are, these two are the same as these four. All right, this is where I got this from, and that's where I got that from. Okay, and so the takeaway that I've had from the other one that I did is that the colors that you put down in the third one should be the same as the colors that you have in the top two. And so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 of these here, and 4 of those there, and then 2 of these. Okay, and so then we just want to see, is this the one that's going to win the tug of war, or is this the one that's going to win the tug of war? Well, one of the things that we had been talking about was substitution, but regardless of whether this is heavier or lighter than this, or stronger or weaker than this, if I add the same amount to both sides, it's not going to change that. This will still either be weaker or stronger than this side. So I see this pink and this orange up here, and I see these pinks here by themselves without any orange, and I'm going to add an orange to each of them, and I'm going to do the same over here, and that way it's still balanced, whether it's whether it's one side's, you know, to the left or to the right, it's still going to be the same. It hasn't changed, so it's still like unbalanced the same amount. Rather than here how it's balanced. But now I can see that these are worth an orange and 3 of those. And also, if I don't really have to do that, I could take that back away, and I could see that this orange is the same as that. Hopefully that's not at a screen, which means the pinks are worth 3 greens each. So I could just take those and put 3 greens in for each of them instead of doing what I was going to do, right? And then when I take the 3 greens away, I can see that I've got 1, 2 oranges, and those 2 oranges are supposed to be worth 4 greens. Well, there's not 4 greens here, so this side has to be stronger. Okay, but if I go back and do it the way I was going to do it, and I add the 2 oranges to this side and the 2 oranges to this side, then I could simply substitute in for every orange and a pink, I would have an orange and 3 green, right? An orange and 3 green. Well, then I take away what's same on both sides. And here I've got 2 orange, right? And see my 2 orange here, which would be the same as 4 green. Well, I could put 4 green in there, right? Well, it's clear that this side's going to be stronger than this side.